Is that Tina Turner in the thumbnail? No, it's not Tina Turner. It's just some random Filipina chick. I don't know. I made it with the AI. I made that Filipina chick with the AI. You know. So I went to Facebook. I went to Facebook and I typed into the Facebook. You know, you can put in imagine Facebook. Or I did like that, and then I told Facebook, said make a Filipina lady, 45 to 55 years old. Give her, you know, curly golden brown hair, you know, and I said make her nice shape and put her in a swimsuit. And then I said make the swimsuit like a V-neck swimsuit, right? And then it made the image, you know, like that, you know. So that's what I did, guy. Is it? And it made the image. I went to Facebook and it made the image, you know. So it's like that. So that's what I did. And they have a like a thing there too. Look at that. Get one you can stick your tongue in. I saw they had something matcha here. Matcha cream. Look at that little custard cream mochi magic balls.
Have a good night, guys.
Yo, man, Thomas Crown, thank you for your super chat, man. Thank you for your super chat. Big ups, man. Southeast Asia, yeah, man. Thank you so much, man. Bigging up, man. We'll ask. We'll see what's going down. Boom, yeah, Thomas Crown, man. Thank you for your super chat, homie. All right, I'm looking at the Mochi magic balls. I want to do the matcha. You have that still? All right, how many is that? Like, like these, how much is that, right?
So they're all the same price, 1 to 5, 14. If you do 6 or 12, it's no tax.
All right, let's pick up 2 for her. I'll do 2. That's
sure
fine.
You don't want to do a box of 3?
How much is the 3? The box of 3 is 13. Nah, 2 is all right. I don't think I can eat that much. It's all right. It's all good. Yeah. I'm a light eater. You can see that right here, so it's all good.
And what flavors do you want?
Is it matcha? Is it matcha cream? Yeah.
And both of them matcha?
Yeah, both of them matcha cream. Yeah, for sure.
Alright. You know you can mix and match donut with a ball.
I can max with the ball?
That's what you can do 3.
Where's the donut? Okay, all right.
Then you get a nicer box.
I get a nicer box, or maybe, all right, sure. Okay, I can do like a gift box. Sure, let's do the chocolate.
Chocolate?
All right, sure. You upsold me, man. Sales. I used to do selling. I used to sell advertising back in the day. So you were good on the upsell, man. You can squeeze some more dollars out of me, man. It's all good, man.
All right, and just let you know, we have all of our drinks right now are only $4. It's half
Oh, but I think I'll pass for now.
If you have cash, it's no tax. Card is tax.
Oh, yeah, it's all right. I'll pay on card. I don't care. No one carry cash no more, so it's all good. I'll give you a little tip, though.
Thank you so much.
Yeah, I'll give you a tip.
Just letting you know as well, we're having a grand opening next month at our Square One location, Food District.
Okay.
So we're looking forward to opening our store right over here downtown, Young and Finch.
Oh, yeah?
If you sign up right here, first name, last name, and email, you get a chance to win a TV, and you get guaranteed 30% off.
That's all right. I'm good on that. Thank you. All right, take care now. Look at that, guys. I got myself a gift box here. Look at that, fancy. You know what I'm talking about, homies, guy? Marry me, Mochi me, you know, when I'm saying homies, that's what I'm talking about. It's your boy right here, T.O. Look at that, I got it. That girl was on point, guy. You guys like that? You guys like that shit? Yeah, it's about $13, man. Very good to spend. I'm not second on the second. We're gonna enjoy the donuts, guys. We're gonna enjoy. Dime pieces ain't cheap, yo, man. Exactly, you know it. You know that's the case, man. Dime pieces ain't cheap at all, Holmes. You know what I'm saying? I'm like, yo, got this thing here, so we'll take a look and see what we got. I'm gonna try one of these things out. You guys, let me know what's up here. Got this mocha ball. Let me taste it out. Let me see if it tasted out. Let me see if it's good. I'm gonna eat this thing right now. No consultation required. But remember, I'm gonna do your consultation for Southeast Asia. I'm gonna get that shit going, you know. Matcha. It's good. I can't. We out here. I'm out here right now. I'm out here in North York Center, man. Matcha is a code for chocolate. Oh, okay. Yo, man, thank you. Big ups for the super chat, yo. Big ups, man. Super chat guy.